Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video will share some relevant knowledge about SOX printers. What is a SOX printer? A SOX printer is a device specifically used for printing patterns, text, or images on SOX. This printer usually uses special inks and technologies to achieve high-quality printing effects. On the surface of SOX printers usually include a platform for placing SOX and have special printing heads that can accurately print the desired patterns or text on the surface of SOX. 2. What materials can SOX printers print on SOX? SOX printers can print on SOX of a variety of materials, including but not limited to cotton, polyester, wool, nylon, bamboo fiber, and blended materials. This diversity makes SOX printers a very practical tool that can meet the needs of different customers and provide more creative and business opportunities for SOX manufacturers and the custom gift industry. 3. What ink does the SOX printer use? The ink of the SOX printer is usually selected according to the material of the SOX. Commonly used inks include active inks, acid inks, and sublimation inks. Reactive inks are mainly used for SOX made of cotton, bamboo fiber, and wool. Acid inks are mainly used on SOX made of nylon. And sublimation inks are mainly used on SOX made of polyester. Choosing the right ink can ensure the best printing effect on SOX of different materials, ensuring that the pattern is clear, long-lasting, and durable. 4. What are 360-degree seamless digital printed SOX? 360-degree seamless digital printed SOX are a SOX production process that uses digital printing technology. This technology allows printing on the entire SOX surface without being restricted by traditional printing processes. 360-degree seamless digital printed SOX usually use high-tech digital printing equipment, which can achieve all-round and seamless printing on the SOX surface, thereby creating richer and more detailed patterns and designs. This technology makes the printing of SOX more creative and personalized, bringing new possibilities to the SOX industry. 5. What patterns can I print on SOX? With a SOX printer, you can print any pattern you want without any restrictions. You can print images of your pets on SOX, or print some holiday-themed patterns during holidays as gifts for your relatives and friends. The flexibility of SOX printers allows you to print a variety of patterns according to your preferences and needs, making SOX more interesting and personalized. 6. Where can I buy a SOX printer? Colorido is a factory specializing in the manufacture of SOX printers. With decades of experience in manufacturing SOX printers, it has exported SOX printers to more than 50 countries and has a complete digital printing solution. 7. How do I prepare my design for printing on SOX? General designs need to be saved in JPG, AI, or TIFF format. You need to adjust the size and color configuration, as well as adjust the resolution in the graphic design application to meet the requirements of the printer. 8. How is the printing effect and durability of SOX printers? Printing effect. A high-quality SOX printer can usually achieve clear and bright patterns and colors, whether it is monochrome or multicolor printing. The resolution and color management system of the printer will also affect the printing effect. 9. What are the advantages of using a SOX printer to print SOX? Personalized customization. It can print various patterns, texts, or images according to customer needs to achieve personalized customization and meet the needs of different customers. Today's sharing ends here. Follow us to get more digital printing knowledge. Goodbye.